Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. You've heard the phrase, not your keys, not your crypto. So you need a cold wallet. That just means a wallet that's offline that can protect your cryptocurrency. But which one do you go with? My personal favorite is Ledger, and I'm going to show you why in this video. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get into the video. All right, everyone, welcome to my favorite wallet right here. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need cold storage? Can I just buy crypto and put it on exchange? Well, a lot of people have done that and they ended up empty-handed. As they always say, not your keys, not your crypto. It has a strong meaning because without a cold wallet, you do not truly own your crypto. Which one do you get? I've looked at a lot of them and my favorite is Ledger. So we're going to jump in and always do your own research. But here, I would start at Ledger Academy. We can see Web3 starts here and all the important topics you need to know. They even have quests and blockchain stuff you can look over, crypto, DeFi, solutions, NFTs, and security. So if you decide to get one, where can you go? You can go to shop right here, and I have all the different ones. Not only can you hold crypto, you can hold NFTs, you can hold everything. There are people who have lost their crypto because they did not keep it on cold storage. So which one do you want to start with? I started with the Ledger Nano S Plus, shows my age in crypto, but you can also start with the Ledger Stacks. Get that touchscreen, wireless charging, get all the bells and whistles. Or if you're looking for something kind of in between, you can do the Flex. Not that kind of flex, but the touch. It has everything but the wireless charging and the magnetic shell. Now, what happens if you lose it? You still get Ledger Recover, so you can make sure, hey, I lost my wallet, no problem. I got my phrase, we're good to go. They even have gift cards and all this type of stuff. So you can look at the different device characteristics. That's what I recommend doing. So take a look and learn about the stacks, learn about the Nano. This was made for day-to-day use of cryptos and NFTs, and you can clear sign your transactions. So that's really cool. You can also take a look at the stacks right here or the Nano. The Nano is what I start with, and I really think they have a cool little animation here. The device featuring Bluetooth built for day-to-day go use. So you can stick it in your pocket, you can go anywhere, and you can hold all the cryptos you want. Litecoin, you can hold Shiba. So no, it's not just for Bitcoin or Ethereum. And to me, this is the smartest choice when holding your crypto. You need some kind of storage. As crypto becomes more popular, more exploits come. So you need to be safe. They also have the email here where you can subscribe to the newsletter and follow them on all their social media. And the last thing to note is you have the companion app. So you can find it right here on your mobile wallet. Just have the phone. Now, you might be thinking, a phone? Why? Why would I have that? Well, the phone's connected to the internet, but the wallet's not. So the wallet stays safe in cold storage while you can check on it right here on your phone on the go. And you can even stake, which means you can get that passive income from Tron, Cosmos, or anything else. So that is it in a nutshell. One of my favorite wallets, still one of my favorite wallets. What do you use? Do you use Ledger? Do you use something else? Do you use your phone? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's go.